All right, I thought I'd give you some updates on the Maloka. Framing is just about done. This is the mud room or gift shop room, kind of intro room. So we'll be able to have some gift shop, places to put shoes in here. And got a nice double door. I'm gonna have a window above that. And then that'll lead into the actual ceremony space here. You see, it's coming together pretty well. This roof is pretty amazing. And this is at least 3 times bigger than our current ceremony space. And then we've got the back room back here. So coming through here, you'll have a hand sink. Then you're gonna have 4 toilets. We'll just kind of have commercial style stalls there. And then we'll have 3 shower stalls here as well. And then this is just kind of a little storage area back here. Water heater, everything like that. And they finished up the framing pretty much today. And they've started on the roofing. If you can see it, they got a couple corners up of this metal roofing, and hopefully over the next week they'll be able to get most of that done as well. And that will be officially the end of phase 2 of the Maloka. Phase 1 was getting all this dirt work done out here, getting everything level, and getting the foundation poured. Phase 2 has been pretty much the structure, getting all the framing done, getting the roof up, and we'll be moving into phase 3 here, which will be getting all the plumbing finished, getting electricity ran out here, and getting all the light fixtures and AC and everything like that. So if you're interested in helping with phase 3, definitely check out our website and check out the donate page. But if you haven't checked it out in person yet, definitely next time you're out here, take a walk to the back of the property. All right, well, thanks for checking it out with me.